Are you struggling to achieve financial freedom? You might be making these 3 critical mistakes that are holding you back. Stick around because today, I'm breaking down the bad habits you need to drop to start your journey towards financial independence. Hey everyone, welcome back to TylerBlogger, where we explore the best strategies for personal growth and financial freedom through books. I'm Tyler, and I wasn't always financially free. In fact, it took me years of learning, failing, and finally figuring out what works. Today, I'm sharing 3 bad habits that I had to overcome, and so should you, to finally start making real progress towards financial freedom. Bad habit number 1, procrastinating financial decisions. First up, procrastination. How many times have you put off investing, saving, or even just creating a budget? Procrastination is a dream killer when it comes to financial freedom. The sooner you start, the better your chances of growing your wealth. Start small if you have to, but start today. One of the best ways to overcome this is by automating your savings and investments. Set it and forget it. Next, let's talk about living beyond your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending more than you earn, especially with credit cards and buy now pay later schemes. But this habit can spiral into debt, making financial freedom feel impossible. The key is to create a realistic budget and stick to it. Focus on needs, not wants, and remember, financial freedom is worth more than any material possession. The third habit holding you back is ignoring financial education. How often do you read books, watch videos, or take courses on money management? Knowledge is power, and understanding how money works is crucial to building wealth. Invest in yourself by learning about personal finance, investing, and business. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make and the closer you'll get to financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't about luck or having a high-paying job. It's about making smart choices and breaking free from these bad habits. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future starting today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TylerBlogger for more insights on how to master your finances and live your best life. Drop a comment below on which bad habit you're committed to breaking, and let's start this journey to financial freedom together. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content that will help you take control of your life, one book and one smart decision at a time. See you in the next video.